There's a reason some inventors build multi-million-dollar Amazon businesses while others waste years and tens of thousands of dollars with absolutely nothing to show for it. It's not the product idea, it's the sequence. Multi-million-dollar launches never start with prototypes. They start with the opposite of what every guru tells you to do. After developing over 2,000 products and watching which ones succeed versus fail, I've identified the exact sequence that separates winners from very expensive failures. Today, I'm going to show you the backwards process and the one step that kills 95% of products before they ever reach Amazon. Point number one, why most Amazon launches fail before they start. Most inventors don't fail on Amazon because they're not smart enough. They fail because they start in the wrong place. I call it the $50,000 prototype trap. Here's what happens. You get excited about an idea. You rush to build it. CAD designs, prototypes, revisions, tooling, and before you know it, you're $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 deep without ever asking if Amazon will even support the business. Building feels productive. It feels like progress, but all you're really doing is creating a very expensive paperweight. Then come the patent landmines. I see this every single week. Inventors spend thousands building a product, only to find out later that a broad patent blocks them completely. Game over, money gone. And even if you dodge the patents, manufacturing reality hits hard. Your idea costs $49 to build, but Amazon customers expect to pay $29. That gap is where dreams die. This is why 95% of Amazon products will fail. They solve the wrong problem first. Point number two, the backwards process. Here's how it actually works. Imagine we're launching a kitchen gadget. Not designing it yet, not prototyping it yet. Step one, patent research. Before a single sketch exists, we're identifying white space. Where are competitors protected? Where are they vulnerable? What can we legally own? This step alone saves people tens of thousands of dollars. Step two is Amazon cost validation. We calculate real profitability, not guesswork. Manufacturing, shipping, FBA fees, storage, returns, advertising. If the math doesn't work here, we kill the idea early. That's a win. Step three is market demand validation. We analyze competitors, we mine reviews, we find what customers actually complain about and what they're willing to pay for. Only after that do we even think about design. This sequence prevents the expensive mistakes that kills 95% of launches. Point number three, the Amazon math that completely changes everything. Let's talk numbers. Say we have a hypothetical product that costs $15 to manufacture. Sounds great, right? Here's what most inventors forget. Amazon fees, FBA fulfillment, storage, returns, advertising costs to actually get visibility. Solely the total costs are $28. Now let's say the retail price is $45. 45 minus 28 leaves you with a $17 profit. That's a 38% margin. That number right there dictates everything. Your materials, your packaging, your manufacturing location, your design complexity. Most inventors never do this math until after they built the wrong product. This calculation should be the starting point, not the post-mortem. Point four, the complete launch framework. Here's the full framework. Phase one, patent research, find opportunity, avoid legal disasters. Phase two, technical feasibility, using real production materials, not low-quality 3D prints that lie to you. Phase three, Amazon-specific market validation, positioning, pricing, differentiation. Phase four, manufacturing strategy, optimized specifically for Amazon margins and logistics. When you follow this process, you can reach a profitable launch in 6 to 8 months. Most inventors take 18 months or more and still fail. If you don't want to waste $50,000 making the same mistakes most inventors make, I've opened up free strategy sessions where I'll run your idea through this exact process before you spend a dollar. Click the link in the description to book your call. The backwards process is simple. Validate Amazon's profitability first, build the optimized product second. Most inventors prototype their way to failure. Smart ones validate their way to profit. It's not about having the best product. It's about following the right sequence for Amazon. Your idea isn't the problem. The sequence is what determines success or an expensive failure. Now you know the backwards process that separates million-dollar Amazon launches from expensive failures. But knowing this and actually applying it to your specific idea are two completely different things. If you want to validate your idea the right way before spending money on prototypes, click the link in the description to book a free strategy session with me. We'll walk you through your specific situation and identify the smartest next step. And when you're done, watch my video, Why 95% of Product Ideas Die Before Launch. It breaks down the other traps that kill great ideas before they ever reach Amazon.